Welcome. If you've ever found yourself getting constant memories notifications on your Facebook page and want to turn them off, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable memories notifications on your Facebook page using a PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you manage. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Now, at the top left of the page, you'll notice your page's profile photo. Click on it to open your page's main menu. Next, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded list. This will bring you to the main settings dashboard for your page. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll down and find the one labeled Notifications. Click on it to open your notification settings. Within the Notifications section, look for the option called Memories. This is where you control all notifications related to Facebook memories. Now you'll see a toggle labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. To stop receiving memories notifications, simply switch this toggle off. Once it's disabled, you won't get any more memories notifications popping up on your Facebook page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled memories notifications for your Facebook page. No more surprise reminders or pop-ups about past posts. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these steps again and switch the toggle back. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.